How to customize notification sound for each app. Ever hear ding and wonder, was that WhatsApp, Gmail, or your meditation app judging you again? Let's fix that. Swipe down your screen, tap the gear icon, you know the drill. Scroll and tap notification. Now pick the app you want to customize. Let's say WhatsApp. Inside the app settings, you will see categories like message notification, group notification, call notification. Tap one of them. Example, message notification. Then tap sound. Pick a ringtone, notification sound, or custom one if you have got it. WhatsApp now says the custom sound you choose. Now your phone talks in different voice, one for every app. You will never mix up your boss with your bestie again. Smash that like if your phone just leveled up. Got question, weird ringtone, custom sound issue? I have got answer. Drop them below. And hit subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.